report, you know. Because I say, anyone who me say, make the mistake for run up in me the right way, now go get the blood clot rat. I mean, now stop so till me say, stop blood clot breed, I straight on my life. You hear that? Me no know who from nowhere. Me I wanna not share the same man, Virgin. I've been target and make mockery out of. Fine. Leave me, make me succeed. Leave me, make me comfortable in my business. Why not target my business for? Why not target me for? And who me gonna feel in a life? Who me gonna sell pussy and feel in a life and fuck out and done out and feel in a life? Not blood clot me. I am not the Lord Jesus Christ. What the blood clot do not take said for me for? I that me confused about. Why not text it for my business for? It's okay if your bitch text it for me. But what the blood clot you text it for my business for? Where you call me number for? Where you come go like say your order just and come go like say you come disrespect me? Eh? Where me know you from? You know this is no delusional and eh? This morning, me daddy, my phone ring, me answer the phone. Hello, hi, good morning. Is this Sky? I say, oh, this. This is mermaid, something like that. Mermaid, something like that. Right? So I say, I don't know who you is. She's like, oh, she follow me on TikTok. I say, lady, get to the bumbleclad point. I never say bumbleclad, but I just say get to the point. Because I don't care who you is, I don't know you. You call me business number, for buy a just say, get to the point. I am not your friend. No call me and not chatting with me. Just get to the point and order where you order. She a look for birthday. Just me tell her, I say, here what? Go and look on the page and see what you like. Because me a drive now, me can't attend to your ATT. Right? She said she messaged me on TikTok. Me now thinking that this is a genuine customer, brother. This woman bomber rascal message me on TikTok. Me go and me tell her, I say, the store is located at Clocktower Plaza Minimal 32, Shop 6. This bitch, I go message me back on WhatsApp and I go tell me, say she thought I was at Back Road. Back Road. She never know say me in a town. Look on that blood clot crosses, satanic demonic blood clot, bitch. If me say no, I arc up and spit in your blood clot face. Big pussy girl uptown, me live and me pay $1,000 every bomber clock month for my rent. You hear that? You come talk about, you thought I was at Back Road. Who that Back Road more than you? From me see sell pussy for you. And who make you can't stop sell pussy? Eh? No one ever blood clots in me on the roadside yet? Eh? This big stinking mouth fuck up, bitch. Man fuck you in your body and fuck you in your pussy and get hello, hey, shit up pussy girl. Don't ramp with me, you know. I'm tired of uno. And I say me a gas station go report a blood clot today. And yes, you know me I report it for public mischief. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Me don't know uno. Leave me alone. When have you ever seen me at Back Road? When anybody have ever seen me at Back Road? When? I'm confused. I didn't hide the fact that I used to dance years ago. But when have you ever seen me at Back Road? Bitch, I live uptown, Upper St. Andrew. When have you ever seen me at Back Road? When? Moderator, you're not working, no? You're not working. You're not working, moderator. You're not black right people. When have you ever seen me at Black Road? Bitch, me no need you to tell me that. I don't need you to tell me that. I never come and call out my address. Me take you off of this too. Block you. Enough things me ignore what I have to do with my business. Plenty things Me ignore what I have to do with my business. Me ignore it and me soul and me spit and all my own. But my sister from where they not get too comfortable. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, brethren. How much can one person take? When me kill one, I hope nobody no come back say me wicked, you know. Cause it probably will happen, you know. Antoinette Bailey, me don't want you on my page, come off on my blood clot page. You are the next blood clot one too. You are the next hypocritical blood clot two-sided cutlass, back and belly bumbo clot rat. Come off on my page, me tired of uno. Me tired of uno, come off on my page. Come off on my page. Come off my page. Me tired of uno. Leave me alone. Me know I all I know and no cross yourself and who sit down and slander me name for who for page, for who for social media page and who for so-called blogger. Me know I all I know. Leave me alone. Allow me. Me not like you. Leave me alone. Drunker. Allow me. Me say all I know and the things that I talk about me say. Leave me alone. Remember your name? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I mean, not forget what I want to say. I mean, see everything. Leave me alone. You hear that? I say, see one time someone nobody get missy, you know. Nobody, no fi say nothing at all, you know. I'm not sorry for enough girl who dead at Jamaica, and you know why? Enough how to make man dead. Enough how to make people dead. Enough how to set up people life. These are the kind of things we're going to go around and do. I'm going to make a report. And me warn you know. You hear my voice all, what's up, brother? You don't leave me alone, you know. And nobody feel like say me can't call two blood clot people for fuck up when I you know, buy no pussy and cut on the throat, you know. I can't do it, you know. But me warn you publicly, leave me alone. You hear me say? Stop tear me down. Me no know, you know. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, brother. Me never ask no uno for no help. Me never get no major promotion when me open up my store. And me take me little time and build up myself. The amount of uno wish bad for my life and talk about me I got dead. Uno wish dead for me. Uno wish all sort of chaos for my life. When I go out on the way for tear me down for leave me alone. Anything when I have me deserve it. I deserve it. I did not ask nobody for nothing at all. I work my work for it, virgin. I work my work for. And not even man give me what I have, and I can say that proudly. I work my work for what I have. I don't know constantly I target my business. Because we can't use no other strategy. Why? Why is it always women? Why? Why? When I get up every day and when I say people are crosses, then I want to see them one. I go out and wait for look problem with people. Why? Why you do it? Why not always do it? You don't have to like a person. There's a lot of people that I don't like. At the end of the day, I know not to buy nothing from them. I know not to go around them. I know not to go to a party where them go. I know not to eat nowhere where them eat. There's a lot of people that I don't. Me and them not take tea. Sometimes to me see them and me not see them. So why is it that everything that I do, I'm not bothered by it? When you give me so much water for carry basket, you no shock. When I say, oh, she reads so far. Oh, she win when I make up all sort of night even on a sell pussy head. Because all you no good for do, I give man deep throat and batty hole and suck off and lick up batty. That's all you no good for do. I tell you already, you know, it's going to take more than a pussy for reach somewhere in your life. You're not going to need a fucking brain. And you don't have a brain. Leave me alone. When I have my store opening and 4 people come. You can't believe that? 4 people come and my store opening. Me never cuss nobody, me never feel bad about it. Me say, you know what? It's up from here, so. Me know who real know and who no blood clot real. You see me? My customer them come, them support me. When I have a problem with me and my store, I have a problem with my business them. You cannot pick and choose who for have this and who for have that. And I create narrative in our head, and I create things in our head, and I come and I say things to me. What me no know who no. Look on this a bomber clock bitch, you know. Look on this a dirty girl. Tell me now, brother. Eh? There is enough for everybody to eat. There is a plate for everybody to can eat. I am not in nobody way want to support Thick Fits or Kai. Can support Kai. Why is it that you no come and not try to do all sorts? I think you feel like some an idiot too. Eh? I don't care what that lady want to say. When you say things, that's why I not walk and comment bad things about people. Because I don't ever know what will happen in life. Remember, say people see them. And when you not play hypocrite and they all over the place, I don't know shit, people see it. I don't know but I know by no name. I know by no face to somehow know. Leave me alone and my livelihood. You hear me say? Me nah fuck none of no man. Me nah black none of no money. No man them where fuck out no body and no mouth and the pussy when I go no 10 grand. That have nothing to do with me because I know me I get the money. Me nah fuck them and me nah get no money from them. So me no see all me in and no way. Stop target my business page. Stop come and disrespect me and call my phone and in an argument with me. Else me I go out and me and fuck up one and one time me do me not go feel bad about it. Cause me not call no on the phone and message on una in and no baga with una cause I don't know none una from nowhere at all. You see any blood clot when I wanna come on my business place come try not with me and I go blood clot feel it. You hear me say? It a go come with a lot of consequences. You hear me say? Feel like say Coco idiot, Coco soft, Coco idiot, Coco soft, Coco idiot. I take my cutlass and chop up your bumper clock, bitch. You hear that? I don't ramp with people, brother. I don't play with people. No feel no way about that. If you make me cross the right way, I fuck you up wicked. And nobody no hear back from you. Leave me alone. That's why I stay far from people. Leave me alone. Low blood clot me and leave me alone. And me can't blood clot catch you. Me use science. You hear that? Leave me alone. Leave me alone, brother. Me a human being too. Me a somebody too. Me deserve peace too. Me deserve respect too. Leave me alone, bumblehole. You know see Coco, I got nobody place. I look problem with nobody. You know see me pull up on nobody place. One time I got some of them people at store, brother, I'll 30 grand me spend. Me I get one time I text people for IG and I buy things, I'll 10, 20,000. Me I spend money straight. Me no disrespect people. You hear me say? Leave me alone. You don't have to like me. You don't have to like what I do. You don't have to believe that I'm a good person. You don't have to, don't call me business number and I look no problem with me and I talk certain things. It's me I go fuck up your bumper clot. You hear that? And if anyone at uno make uno bumper clock mistake and come up on my shop when me up there and send it on tell I try to go like uno want come war blood clot me no left from up there. Me not ask me lock uno up in there and fuck uno up. You hear me say? Alright. You hear me say though? Anyone at uno make that mistake uno not go leave out in there. Alright. Stay there. Feel like saying I do something good. Stay there, feel like say, no, then I understand how the laws work and say Jamaica is an easy law place. Come up there, come look problem with me. All the girl will call me this morning and I talk about how say she want dress to buy and the last time she checked I was at back road. What kind of something that? What you mean? You're fucking rude, bro. You're rude. If anybody following Thick Fits know that Thick Fits first location is Clock Tower Plaza. So you mean say you think me did there back road? Eh? Fucking feisty, brother. If all me see you now, me take, hey. You come tell me say them know if you trigger me batty boy, suck pussy boy. You come tell me that. Enough things me overlook. Enough things me ignore. Plenty things. So I want to send some dirty nasty message. I'll check me through my business page. And my soul and my spit and me hold it. Sometimes I ball to my friend them and me hold it. And nobody no see me come and post them on my business page. Me continue to post my product them when me I sell. And that me do. Nobody see me come and I complain and I send no water and enough dirty message you send to my business page. Enough things me see you do. Enough things. And me hold it. So don't come tell me say they know if you trigger me. Enough is enough. But I want one to make the mistake and come at Clock Tower Plaza and try certain things with me and see if we not leave from up there. Me swear upon my life, brother. Come up there. Come. I think you're going to leave from up there alive. Come up there. Come. Cause me and y'all share the same man. I fear money me thief and bill store. I fear money me use and I live the life for me I live. Come up there and let's see what will be your fate. Come. Just take your taxi and come on my shop. Come look problem with me. Just come. Yeah. And I tell them, I see a girl. Hey, no think say me a one normal piece of girl. When look for me. Police pull down for my markets and put gun in my car 2 years ago. So till you all have to see me and heal me a road. Yeah, about 4 at that time, 3 at that time, me and police in a problem. Yeah, police that have no issue now. I did not change my vehicle. I don't go around every day with bodyguard. But still, why I manage? Because some of you know delusional, you know. You see, because you hate people, you feel like say everybody hate them. Enough bad people me know. Enough people with money and resources, me and them in a problem, but them have sense. You hear me say? Feel like say that you, we sell look a pussy per roadside, can come try me and make me run up and down. No blood clot, but no mouth does stink. You hear me say? No pussy does stink. You hear that? Me not afraid of none of you. You hear me say? Last year, when the girl dead, you know, call out my address and say, alright, blood clot there, me live. You hear that? You know, talk about now, go come up there, come do the. You don't do nothing at all. Don't feel like say me is an easy little girl to take on. No feel no way about that. Me no want easy fucking piece of girl. You hear me say? I me no need no bag of bumbleclad. Me no need an arm if you prove a point to nobody. I me no need no crowd. I me no need no backative. You know why? Because me have sense. I me know where my powers lies. You hear that? No phone don't have no sense. So go on play with fire and feel like say something good to do. Me not afraid of none of you know. Me not afraid of none of the bad man them wanna fuck. We probably full up on the head say if you no go fuck with people, girl pitney, them a go. Me not afraid of none of you know. Leave me alone. Home, my finger, my pussy, me have a jar full of blood clot sex ties. If me hand, me fuck myself. I don't interested in none of no man who no have a fuck none of them man who have them bumbo clot cheesy who they wear fuck you know. So me no want nobody if come and go on like say me and them in a no competition and me and them in a no beef and me know no from nowhere. Me I go gas station today go report on you know. Then 2 girl you know. Me I go station go report to no and you see anyone me see no step no foot come on my store shop. Me and no bumbo clot up there. That me I telling you, hear me say? Step foot. Feel like say me want easy girl and step your foot come up there and see how that I go end. You hear me say? Alright.
Suck your man girl. Bumbo clot, me tell you. Black. No badge.